So yesterday, what will be said to be one of the biggest wedding ceremony that has happened in Nnewi, Anambra State, the billionaires city, happened. This wedding was between the son of Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing CEO, Chief Innoson Son, and the daughter of Nero Pharmaceuticals in Nanka. This wedding took place in Nnewi, Anambra State, in the house of Chief Innoson Son, the CEO of Innoson Vehicles. You should know what to expect, guys. It was mad, it was luxurious, it was everything magnificent. The who is who in Anambra State and Nigeria were out there to celebrate with Chief Innoson Son and Nero Pharmaceuticals. It was a great event indeed. It was luxurious. It was a show of money. You can see how they are spraying money as if money is nothing. You know, when two billionaires come together to celebrate, you should know what to expect, guys. You should know what to expect. Is it food? Is it everything was in abundance? Everything was in abundance. The who is who. You can imagine the kind of people that will attend this kind of event. So guys, just sit back and enjoy this video. So this was what the wedding venue looked like. Everybody were just facing their departments and there was maximum security. So nobody was disturbed about security of any kind. Although Nnewi has always been secured before now, but there was still maximum security at Innoson Vehicles CEO's house. That's Chief Innoson Son. So that's the bride and the groom. They're on the stage taking pictures. You can see how everywhere was well decorated. Everywhere was just well decorated. Beautiful, beautiful, very beautiful. Men on suit are so many. There should be so many of them. You can see families, relatives, friends, well-wishers. Everybody turned up for this great occasion. Everybody turned up. You can see that the house is filled up despite how large the compound is. You can see that people still fill up every nook and cranny, showing you that the turn up was massive because it's billionaires event. So what do you expect? What do you expect? Two billionaires event, actually, two billionaires. So everywhere was well decorated. You can see canopies all filled up with people when the event was at the peak. You can see the decorations, very beautiful, very beautiful. So that was how it happened. That was how it happened. It was a very amazing day. It was a very amazing day indeed. So this is the entrance to the venue of the wedding ceremony. You can see the bride and the groom in the big banner. That's so beautiful, so beautiful, beautiful and handsome people. Different personalities from different parts of the state and country trooping in. It was a massive turn-up. The event saw a massive turn-up of personalities, of people of different timber and caliber of people. That was amazing. That's amazing. That shows that it was really billionaires that celebrated. So that was it.
I don't even understand.
Okay. Alright.
Okay, guys, we're ready. Okay, here we go. Okay, one more smile. Smile. Hello. Say cheese. Thank you. Next set.
Your Excellencies, distinguished individuals, on behalf the Supreme Commander, Chief Executive, and those executive executive.
Okay. Hello, young lady. Please step back.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Delivering quality and affordable healthcare.
This is your flash.
Together with Dr. Innoson and Innoson Son, the CEO, Innoson Group of Companies, the one and only motor manufacturer with 98% local content.
What's next?
Okay,
say it now. Groom's immediate family. Okay, branch extended family.
Please go back. Please come back. Please come back.
Don't be on this white box. You get this picture. Sorry,
go
just
back.
help us step back a little bit. Right extended family.
Delivered every sound we expected of them.
Yeah. Right extended family. Thank you, Ade. Be careful, guys.
Mommy, mommy.
Taking a look.
Guys, let's move back.
Go back. Let's go back.
I'm ready. Okay, guys, please, everyone look here, please.
Look here, please, look here.
Okay. Groom's extended family. Groom's extended family. Don't brag, it's Groom's own now. Groom's extended family. Mommy, sorry. Groom's what's next? Just be calling it. Groom's extended family. Outside the wall. Okay. Both families, get ready.
I want to tell you all this one more time. We were supposed to be at your parents' house now, but we didn't fit and wife to the point of this beautiful event.